subscribe to our channel.
9 new uses for coconut oil. 1. Face and body moisturizer. The fatty acids in coconut oil and its amazing antioxidant effects make it one of the best alternatives for typical body creams. Its regular application can decrease the presence of dead skin cells, bacteria, and excessive dryness. You can use coconut oil on the skin of your face as well as the rest of the body. In addition to that, it won't leave you with a greasy feeling and also stimulates the production of collagen. 2. Weight loss supplement. In spite of its high caloric content and concentrated saturated fats, coconut oil is a great complement to a healthy weight loss plan. Because it is made of medium-chain fatty acids, consuming coconut oil increases your metabolism and optimizes your energy expenditure. To improve weight loss, it's a good idea to consume 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day, preferably on an empty stomach. 3. Natural toothpaste. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of coconut oil can be used to treat major dental problems. When you use it as a natural toothpaste, it decreases the presence of bacteria and germs that cause tooth and gum infections. You can enhance its effects with a little baking soda, which will whiten your teeth and eliminate bad breath. 4. Natural conditioner. When you apply this product to your hair, it will replace commercial conditioners to nourish and revitalize it. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties fight dandruff and other disorders of the scalp that can lead to excessive hair loss. It's moisturizing, contains antioxidants, and despite being an oil, it won't alter your natural production of oils. When you use it 2 to 3 times a week, it will help you attain strong, healthy, and shiny hair. 5. Treatment for cuts and burns. The moisturizing and restorative properties of this natural ingredient make it a great solution against any lesions that affect cutaneous tissue. Vitamins and minerals deeply nourish the dermis and facilitate your recovery from sunburns and superficial wounds. In addition to that, as an antibacterial and antifungal agent, coconut oil prevents the occurrence of infection. 6. Natural deodorant. The fatty acids in coconut oil also protect you against the odors caused by bacteria in the underarm, foot, and neck area. Just apply a small amount using a gentle circular massage, 2 to 3 times a day if needed. 7. Lip balm. Instead of spending lots of money on commercial lip products, it's worth taking advantage of the qualities of coconut oil. It adds moisture to the delicate skin of the lips while facilitating the elimination of dead skin cells that can make them look bad. 8. Anti-frizz treatment. The moisturizing and conditioning properties of coconut oil can also be used as a treatment for frizz and flyaways. Just add a small amount of coconut oil to the roots of your hair and work it through the tips, leaving it on for 20 minutes. Rinse off any excess using plenty of water and style as usual. 9. Stretch mark cream. For decades, coconut oil has been recognized as one of the best natural products for fighting stretch marks on the skin. When you use it in the morning and night, it deeply moisturizes the affected areas and, in the long term, repairs damaged fibers. It's recommended for pregnant women, and daily use will keep your skin elastic and healthy. As you can see, coconut oil has plenty of interesting applications in daily life. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.